friends, it is the last Thursday of the month. So that means for me on my channel, I want to show you guys all of the things that I decluttered during the month of May. I love doing these videos each month because I get to hopefully inspire you guys to do some decluttering around your home. And I also get to hold myself accountable for decluttering each and every month. My main goal this year is to simplify my home in 2025 and to bring in less stuff and to just take out all the clutter and live a more minimalist lifestyle. Not too minimal, but just enough that is right for me. So earlier this month, I did bag up some stuff that I went ahead and took to charity. So I'm just going to show you that stuff now, and then we're going to get into some other stuff. So quickly, I'm getting ready to pack this stuff up, but I am going to donate this little bunny wreath. I am going to donate this Love My Peeps mug, and I'm going to donate this Happy Easter egg. Okay, so here's some stuff I'm bagging up now. I have 2 belts. These are 2 items that my husband decided to let go of, a brown belt and a black belt. I added this to the declutter pile because I want to tell you, if you have a shoebox, it's okay to declutter it. Yes, I did bring a pair of shoes into my home this month, but I held on to this because I know the teacher in me, the former teacher in me, would have so much trouble parting with the shoebox, because think of all the things you can use a shoebox for. You can store pictures in a shoebox. I mean, there's a lot of things you can use them for. Unless you're like me, and I used to store the shoes that came in the shoebox in my closet, you do not need to keep the shoebox. So this is me giving you permission to declutter any boxes or shoe boxes that your shoes come in. I bought some t-shirts this month, so I let 3 t-shirts go. I let this green one go. I let this shirt from my university go, and I let this Atlanta Braves t-shirt go. So that was 3 t-shirts total. I'm also decluttering 2 sports bras. Also this month, I brought 4 items into my closet, and I have just enough hangers now that I can do my in-out policy, which means if I bring something in, I have to remove something, and that's getting harder and harder to do. But I did find this shirt to declutter. It has like these little clear sleeves, and it's got like a tank top built in. I just have not worn it, so I'm going to declutter this one. I am decluttering this little dress. I'm decluttering this long-sleeved shirt. I am decluttering this shirt as well. And I smell a smell, which is bringing me to something else that I am decluttering. So when I was on vacation, it was the weekend of Mother's Day, and I was shopping at this place, and in every store you went into, they were handing out something for Mother's Day. And I had a rose with me that I had gotten from like J. Crew or something. And I was in this other store and I bought something, and they gave me this potpourri stuff for free. It says $4.99 on the tag, but it does not smell well at all. I do not like the smell of it. So I'm going to go ahead and part with that one. On those lines, when I was on vacation, they gave me, they dropped this down in a bag. It's a sticker that says the Salty Dog Cafe. It's one of our favorite places to eat in Hilton Head when we go there. So I thought I would donate that. As some of you guys know, if you regularly watch my channel, I am going through all of the cabinets and drawers in my kitchen, and I have this square wooden bowl to declutter. From my living room, I grabbed these 2. These are like little book stack things, and they open and you can store stuff inside if you want. I used to store my remotes in there. I do not use these anymore, and it just does not go with my whole like color scheme or anything that I'm doing in my living room. So I replaced these with like 2 art books actually. So I'm going to declutter these 2. I grabbed these 2 storage containers from my kitchen. I was previously storing things inside them. I replaced them, so I'm going to declutter these. This is another hard thing, like the shoebox, because you're like, well, I could have another place in my home I could use it, but I'm gonna go ahead and declutter this. Again, if you are watching my kitchen, if you're watching my kitchen cabinet clean out, I had this little drawer thing that you could put the K-cups in, and I am decluttering that this month. 3 laundry balls. I put these in my dryer when I am drying my clothes, and I just replaced them, so I have 3 to declutter. And Lily, my dog, is eyeing these right now, so I'm gonna put them out of sight for her. Another t-shirt, I forgot that I had this one as well that I decluttered because I did bring several t-shirts in. Again, from the kitchen, I have 2 heart-shaped bowls that could be used at Valentine's Day, but I have not used them in years, but look how they match my shirt. 2 wooden salad bowls, again from my kitchen, and I am so horrible about taking tags off. Does anybody else do that? Or is it just me? I need to get some Gooby Gone so that I can actually take tags off. I also have 2 picture frames. I replaced the picture frames that I had in my bedroom, and I am going to declutter these 2. I read this book. It was called Book Lovers, and I am going to go ahead and let this book go. And then last for in here, my Growth Collaborative order got messed up this month, and they sent me a couple of things that I did not order, and everything was okay except for these garbage disposal cleaners, and I already have some, so I am just going to go ahead and pass these on.
Take a masterpiece of mess, even unknown. More
I just want to thank you guys so much for watching today's video. This just helps to keep me motivated to keep removing items from my house each and every single month. And I am actually going on Sunday, I am actually going to start a no buy June and July. And a no buy June and July for me is going to mean that I am not going to buy any clothing. I'm not going to buy any accessories. I'm not going to buy any home decor. I'm not buying anything that is not a necessity. Or like if I run out of soap, of course I'm going to buy more soap, but I'm not buying jewelry. I'm not buying clothing, shoes. I'm not buying anything in the month of June and July. So I'm going to make sure to update you guys on that and on how the process goes. And I hope that that inspires me to declutter a little bit more and to help me realize that, just to help me see where I spend my money. But I did just finish up this little declutter here in my office. I just wanted to go through the drawers in my office. Again, I do not keep them very densely populated, but I'm not sure if you watched the video that this necklace broke in or not. A month ago, I think, maybe, I don't know, sometime this month, I'm not sure. This necklace broke while I was filming, so I am going to go ahead and add that to my May declutter. I have these little sticky things that came with a calendar that I ordered that I did not use, so I'm going to go ahead and declutter these, along with this little baggie of pins that I do not use, so I'm going to declutter these. So that adds a few more things to declutter this month. I hope you guys liked seeing all the things that I decluttered, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today, and I love you guys. Bye.